All right, y'all, we in this storm, Southern California. We've been having some bad weather. We getting to the money on our way to the bag. Finna have a beautiful day trucking in this rain, y'all. All right, y'all, so do me a favor before we get started. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button for me. All my new people coming to the channel, welcome. Got a beautiful video. We about to hit work right now on the way. I don't know what they got us doing today, where we going. Hopefully we don't have a lot of stops today, but I hope it's gonna be easy breezy for us today. But we gonna be in this rain. We gotta stay safe, y'all. Shout out to all the drivers that's holding it down for the slow season and get to the money, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, y'all, some wild weather in Southern California. We've been hit with a bad storm. It's been raining for a whole week. Today is Monday. It's been was raining the week before. We got about 5 more days this week of rain, and probably next week too. But you know, Southern California, sometimes you get hit with rain. We needed it though, but springtime is gonna be hot as hell. Summer this year, so it's gonna be fun for us to see these changes in the world. You know, in the trucking industry too. I'm not too happy with the trucking industry, but hopefully things turn around after the slow season, which will be like, I'm thinking mid-March, April, and everybody gonna be smiling and getting their money, y'all. You know, y'all, I got this song stuck in my head. It never rains in Southern California. I like that song. That's an old school song. It never rains in Southern California. And look, it's raining like crazy, y'all. Rain on me. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Rain on me. I can't believe it's raining like this. I'm tired of this damn rain, y'all. We've been freaking dealing with rain. I'm in and out of the truck. It's gonna be ugly today, you know. All right, y'all. We dancing in the rain right now. All these damn trucks, they gonna probably put me in a big yellow later. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I'll give you guys a quick update. We're about to go to Albertsons real quick and drop this load off. We got a few pickups that way. Finna hit this freeway. It's pouring right now, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave that in the description box. I got so much content coming for you guys this year. I'll give you guys an update. I'm still trying to figure out if I'm going to switch jobs or not, but I do have another job lined up. They pay a little more, but I'm trying to work with Tony's and negotiate a higher rate, because I'm not happy with the rate they try to drop me to. So probably by the end of the week I'll know for sure what I'm gonna do, y'all. Let's get it. This is a heavy ass load coming up this hill, man. Here we go with this traffic. It's just stupid. People can't drive in the rain. It might be an accident up there, the way this rig is in front of me. I ain't supposed to be in this third lane, but I'm always talking mess about people being in the third lane. Now I'm in the third lane, or this, yeah. Oh well, I'm gonna get over in a minute. ain't been in no rain like this in Cali in a minute. But this is the stuff we gotta go through as drivers. It ain't nothing. His brakes are smoking because of rain. It's hitting them and they hot. At least there's not a lot of traffic right now. We should probably be there like in 45 minutes though at Albertsons. All right, y'all, so we about to be pulling up to the spot shortly. But it's a lot of flooding going on. It's raining like crazy. And can't nobody drive. You know, usually when I'm in the rain, I'll drive slow. I'm not in a rush to get nowhere. You know, everybody, I think, all my drivers out there, all my people in cars, take your time when it's weather like this, because car can hydroplane, you can lose control, anything. There's a lot of crazy drivers out here, and they just act like it's cool just to be driving crazy. I done got cut off so many damn times. But you know, I'm driving like an old lady, just taking my time. I'm trying to get to my destination home safe. You know, when you a good defensive driver, your goal should always be to protect the people around you and try to make it home as safely as possible to your family. You know, but some people don't care. They just be in a rush. You know, and I'm a firm believer. You be speeding on the freeway, speeding through the city, you only gonna get to your destination 1 minute, 2 minutes sooner. You know, you don't save a lot of time, you know. And in California, you know, they give tickets for people speeding. You know, especially Class A drivers. They see that big rig flying down the freeway, they gonna try to put you in a jam, and that's what, like 3-4 points in your records if you get a speeding ticket. And speed tickets is like $1,300. Something like that. Don't nobody got time for that. You know, points on your record. Then you can't get a good job if something comes through, because they go by points on your record, because a lot of insurance can't cover drivers, or the premium will be super high. Especially if you want to be an owner operator, the goal to save money is have low insurance. When I had my own insurance, I was paying like $900 a month, and a lot of guys I noticed were paying like $2,000-3,000. You know, but a lot of guys be having reckless driving, a whole bunch of tickets and shit. Like, we can't do that, you know. Sometimes these officers be hiding in bushes, behind signs. They be in the cut, so you can't really see them. And you know what happens? You come flying by, and they ding you, just like that. And they have no remorse, too, you know, no remorse. And earlier in my career, I was always reckless, speeding and stuff, and I had to learn the hard way, you know. I went like 3 years with a bullshit job because I had tickets, and all the good jobs would come, I would fill out applications, you know what I'm saying, and the cold thing about it, they wouldn't mess with me because, you know, I had tickets. I used to hate that. I used to be like sad it'd be a job that I really wanted, and I wasn't able to get that job, because unfortunately I had too many tickets and too many points on my records. But what I'm trying to teach y'all, protect your license with your life. You know, if you want to go out drinking, have a designated driver or hop in the Uber. A Uber and a Lyft is way cheaper than that DUI. You know, especially when you drive for a living, you know. All right, y'all, so we just made it to the destination. I've been here before, so we gotta check in right here. We gotta bang that right and go all the way around, drop this load to the left of us over here somewhere. I think I had to go to a door last time, and hopefully they got empties, because a lot of times they don't. But let me see what they talking about. We outside. I've been waiting for homeboy for a few minutes to get his park on, but you know, I got patience today, so You know, gotta wait, make sure he done. And he's still messed up. I can't stand the rain, it's my window. I can't stand the rain. Look, everybody parking. Can't nobody park. Okay. How you doing, baby? She was looking at me. Alright, be some sexy female truck drivers. Shout out to all the sexy female truck drivers that watch my content. Ryda love y'all. What is this, a yard goat? Come on, brother. I gotta use the restroom so bad. I've been holding it. That'd be the worst when you gotta use the restroom in the truck. When you in the truck, then you be stuck on the freeway. All right, let me go check in real quick, y'all. I know bro ain't fucking hunking at me. What was the point of him doing that shit? That he hunking and the person in front of me gonna think I'm hunking when I ain't even tripping. Okay. Drop it. He told me to drop it. Y'all seen that on camera. Oh, where's my gloves at? Oh, here we go. So homeboy right there, he honked his horn just because he wanted to be right there. Weirdo. Yeah, and I talked to my job again today about that pay. And you know what they told me? They said, oh, we're still working on it. So now I feel like they bullshitting me. They giving me the runaround because they want me to not be able to make moves, but you know, I ain't tripping. I had a drug test today with another job. Everything good. I like what they talking about the pay. So once my application is complete, most likely, if these guys ain't trying to give me what I want, then you know, I gotta get up out of here and do what I gotta do, y'all. I have to get out of here and do what I do. Much as I like this company, I did want to leave on good terms, but you know, they doing everything for that not to happen. You know, but part of the game when you driving trucks, you know, it's business, it's never personal. But the way I look at things in life, just be honest with me and tell me what it is. If y'all gonna switch my pay, or y'all not gonna change my pay, don't have me just waiting around for y'all to make y'all mind up. if I'm worth what I got hired to do, the pay. If y'all don't feel that I'm worth that much as an employee, well, I gotta bust some moves. And the other job I found too is at the ports. And I kind of think I want to transition back to the ports anyway. So we'll see what happens. Let me go check in, y'all. So these freaking guys, you see homeboy right there smoking that vape pen? He comes over here running. I walk all the way over there, and this guy comes over there running. Hey, you can't park right there. You can't just drop your trailer. I'm like, the Yargo just told me to drop it right here, bro. He's, oh no, you can't do that. Why did he tell you that? I said, I'm like, I don't know, I don't work here. Shit, you gotta ask him why he telling me false information. Y'all all seen when homeboy told me to drop it right there. Cause when we come over here, we just dropping hooks. And usually, when we come over here, we check in over there. Then they tell us where to drop this thing at. But now he want me to go way the hell over here somewhere and park and call a number. And I guarantee you, they're gonna be telling me something completely different when I call the number. You know, some of these damn security guards, they take their job too serious. But luckily I'm in a good mood today, so I ain't gonna let nothing get to me. It's raining. It's weather's cool right now, you know. I ain't getting too wet. But I knew something wasn't right. But I knew what that Yargo was gonna do. He wanted me to drop it right there so he can put it in the door he wants to put it in. That's why bro told me to do that. So now I know I ain't tripping. So now I gotta go to the staging area and I'm looking for the shit because they don't give us good directions. This is so stupid sometimes. Coming to places like this. Homeboy was about to make me go out of character too. You know, he got his little security guard vest on, trying to be all out and shit, and I had to tell him straight up, like, hey, bro, that's what your boy told me, so that's what I did. I follow directions very well. So if I'm over here, somebody told me to come over here and drop this. I don't just pull up to spots and just drop shit. Like, who does that? You know, but I learned in life, a lot of people, they just like hearing themselves speak and try to use that little power. Every day I come to this damn job, it's just something, you feel me? Something that just make me want to go back to the ports, because the ports is cool. I ain't gotta really deal with people, and most of the time ports is just dropping hooks. You just drop your shit at the warehouses. You don't really have to deal with people, but then you got these security guards is mad, having bad days and shit. They want to take it out on the drivers. I ain't never just came to a warehouse and just dropped my load anywhere, so that was kind of weird, him even thinking that. Even though a lot of drivers do, but not this driver. I've been here plenty of times, and I always remember, I go there, homeboy, and go check in the box, where the box was. So I guess this is the staging area where all the drivers is at. This shit is stupid. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull up right behind homie. Carrier parking. Nobody wants to work because it's raining. But it's all good. Let me chill here for a minute. All right, y'all. I've been waiting for a damn hour for a door. It's finally ready. I had to download an app, put the load information in there. Then when they had the door open, they hit me up. But this place is stupid. I don't like it. When I was here last time, we didn't have to do all this crap. I was in and out. But you know, with it raining and everything, of course, everybody is in a bad mood because they don't want to work and they don't like the rain. But we gonna get this money, rain, snow. It don't matter. I should have worn my boots, but I got my Nikes on. Feet getting wet and shit. So we gotta go to 151. That's around the way. I'm getting tired now. The gym with my ass today. When I was sick, I took a few weeks off the gym, but I worked out every day last week. I'm gonna do the same this week. I'm getting at least 5-6 days in. Rest on Sunday. Now let's see if I know how to park today. Damn, what the freak? This is 401. Oh, God, I put my seatbelt on. Oh, man. 151 might be hold up. I might be on the other side, but hopefully it's on this side. Then I gotta go on an empty hunt. .51 is on this side. Right here, waiting for your boy. Let's see if I can park, y'all. I can't park. Golly. Good to go. So let me unhook. We're gonna look for an empty. All right, y'all, so I'm barely leaving right now. Been here for like 2 hours. They don't got no empties, so we gotta go to the Albertsons in Brea. We leaving Irvine right now and pick up an empty, then we got a delivery. Kind of calmed down with the rain, but it's about to start back up, so hopefully we have a easy day, and that's that. Y'all, so we just left the other Albertsons. We're going around the corner to City Industry and do this quick little pickup. The rain's not that bad no more. It kind of slowed down, but we're gonna have a good night. It's 10 o'clock already. We got 6 hours in. Hopefully I could be done by 12:30. Just 8 hours, and we'll see what's up, y'all. Let's get it. Paperwork. Damn, I don't want to get on this shit. It's wet. Oh, this shit wet, and they put it way back here. I don't want to get wet. And you did this. All right, y'all. So we headed to the other spot. We just grabbed this loaded container. So we got to go somewhere. They got about a couple pallets for us. Then we got one more spot. Then we'll call it a day. So it's gonna be a live load. Real easy day, y'all. Let's get this money. All right, y'all. We just pulled up. I ain't never been here, so we got to get like 6 pallets. We got enough room. Shit, I don't know which way. Shipping and receiving. So we gonna check in right here and make it do what it do, y'all. All right, y'all. So we just chilling. We got a door. They about to load us up, 11 pallets. Then we about to get up out of here and go to the next location. They telling me, I think they telling me to pull up. What the hell? Now they telling me to back. Well, I can't freaking see you, dude. I'm gonna slam. He's telling me to back up.